knows that I will never stop him from seeing his child. But he send me an email say I won't even get $1 to buy water, but I can take care of my child. So whatever. It's no business.
No, but that is no. Let's be fair though, because he did make some posts, professing his undying and unconditional love for his daughter, and that he will always be
Mr.
there for her.
Attention, the man I look rather.
No, I'm just saying.
Okay.
No. Hold on. No.
He don't even call me and ask me how she is, and this was before all of this got out. Attention, the man I look. How can a man love him picnic so much and he don't spend no time with them?
No.
Time at all with them. All him do is provide to them and give them whatever they want.
Okay.
Huh?
No. What I was saying is that if we're going to make reference to some email and posts where he make in terms of the bad things.
Hold on. If you love your daughter, so much, why are you doing this to your daughter's future? Because you're hurt. Because your ego gets bruised. Why?
No. But what I'm saying is that if we make reference to some of the things where you say him say, if him say you not get $1, one could reason that out and probably say, what he must say is you not get $1. But then when him look on the other, but look on the other post them.
Me don't want $1. Him keep all the clothes and tell him say he must
wait, 1 second. Hold on.
That's him want it for.
Hold on, no.
We want to wear them and smell them and think about me. I'm going to be done here because me only I get upset.
No, but
yeah, this is Ashabash representing for Sandy and Bones TV. More of the people them just like and subscribe our TV, cause I just a blessing, manifesting our TV progressing. Yeah, Nyaka, scatter.